What is going on, fam? Welcome back to another video. Today we have a really good one for you. We are right now waiting in the lobby. That's not the interesting part though. We are going into the desert. We are doing the desert tour in Dubai. So we have a lot of fun stuff coming up here. So stay tuned and we're gonna get right into it. So as you can tell, we made it. We are in the desert area, I would assume. Kind of made it to a little like campsite type thing. We are in the desert though, and yeah, we're waiting a little bit, and then we're gonna go out dune bashing, sandboard riding, camel riding, and all that. Some people wanted to ride quads. I didn't really feel like riding them. You can only stay within like a certain area from here, so not really worth it. Go from like there to like there. Not really worth that to me, but yeah, we're out here right now, so we're just chilling. I got myself a new hat, and yeah, so I'm gonna catch back up with you guys when we're moving around. Alright guys, so you just saw the adventure to get here. We were going crazy on the dunes. We had the back seat, so it was a little wild, but that's what it is. And I'm going to show you where we are, because I couldn't really tell you. The middle of the desert right now. Yeah, so that's where we're at right now. Let's go. We're going to go sandboarding now, so I'll see you guys there. Yeah.
Make level yourself. Go ahead.
Woo! Yo, we're good at this. Ooh, yo, I'm a pro. I'm a pro. All right, guys, I think I found my new sport. We're no longer snowboarding, we're sandboarding. All right, we're giving this another try. Sandboard, one more time. Let's get this. Woo! Yo, we're killing it! Woo! All right, Sean White, sandboarder, Dubai. I think I'm going to Olympics in Dubai right now for sandboarding. Sandboarding is not the hard part. It's coming back up. I'm out of breath. Damn, we're beat. All right, Dana went, I went. Dana
ate it hard.
She ate it hard. I'm gonna insert the clip right here. Oh. Also, I think I have a desert in my shoes right now. There's that much sand in there. All right, guys, so we just went through the desert a little bit and we made it to our campsite. So we're gonna get a little food, and then we got the big show with the camels, and I think we're seeing a falcon too. But look, they have their own little well. They have the Mercedes cars, all that. So all right, we're gonna get into this. We just went through all that desert area. It was a bumpy ride, but it was fun. So let's get into this one. Some desert barbecue, we got some food, we got a bunch of stuff. I don't know what it all is, but I'll show you. So I hope it's all good, because not much options besides those camels later. So now's the time. We're going to see our friends. We have our friends right behind us, and we got a couple of them. So Dana and I just rode the camels, went around, short little ride. We had to do solo or double rides. Wish we could do solo, but we just did a little photo shoot. I'll insert some of the pictures over here. They look good. Let's say hi to our little friends again. Guys, camels, 10 out of 10 Uber, 5-star, would ride again. Let me know in the comments down below what you do if that Uber picked you up. All right, we got the new family pet right now. Bringing them back. We got the bird. It's the national bird, the falcon. So we're all right, guys. So basically, our little desert day has come to an end. The sun is setting right over there. Looks gorgeous, and we had a good time. Went out in the buggies over here, the big car. We in the sand dunes, rode some sandboards. I think I'm gonna go pro sandboarding. Held some falcons, rode some camels, ate some good food, saw some shows. So if you guys are in the Dubai area, I would suggest coming out and trying a little desert tour. If you guys did like this stuff, let me know down in the comments. Don't be a stranger. Hit that subscribe button. Join the family. And until next time, see you guys. Peace.